The Lawrence Wilson Art Gallery is celebrating its 30th anniversary. It opened in 1990 and it was the first purpose-built gallery on a university campus in Australia. It was designed by Gus Ferguson and it is a really beautiful space for looking at artworks.
At the time of the gallery's opening, I was the first curator of art. I had to prepare the opening exhibition, which was called Highlights of the Permanent Collection. I think it's important to reflect on the past and look back how we've come a long way and how we value the arts.
The Vice-Chancellor desperately wanted an art gallery on campus. The original donor of $1 million, Mr. Lawrence Wilson, carried with it naming rights to the gallery. A condition on that donation was that the $1 million be used last in the construction and interest on that $1 million to be put aside into a trust fund for scholarships for disabled young artists.
I think it's a fabulous gallery. I think one of the best in Australia as a university gallery. And what I love about it is that one meets lots of other interesting people and artists.
Before the art gallery was built, all the works were housed around the campus in offices. This determined a need really to have them stored in a building designed to A-class gallery conditions so they could be kept and conserved for the long term. When we were given the brief for the building, there was no model for a university campus art gallery, but Ree Hayman's the curator of pictures at UWA, suggested to Gus Ferguson that he should go to Armidale in New South Wales, look at their regional art gallery there because it has some wonderful spaces that may just give us a genesis for the design of this building. As it turned out, that was the case.
This gallery is so important in providing this totally accessible space for the people of Perth and for Western Australia to come and engage with it.
The Lawrence Wilson Art Gallery is special for many reasons. One, it has a wonderful collection. It is a beautiful building. We've had an ongoing program of exhibitions for 30 years. It is a place where people can come and enjoy art, not only in a beautiful environment, in a beautiful building, but as a space in which you can learn and understand and discover art of this place in particular.